I absolutely love this fan, and it has become a game changer this summer. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Number one, I'm going to show you how it charges. Here in the back is a USB-C connector. So right here is the charger that comes with it. It has a USB connection on one side and a USB-C end on the other, and you just plug it in. It doesn't come with a bulb to plug it in the outlet, so if you need something to connect this to power, you want to pick one up. The one thing I love about it is that it has 5 speeds. So the way you use it is that you press this long, and then it shows you right there, number 1, that shows that's the first speed. It's at 100% charge. Then you hit it again, 2, that's 25% speed, 50, 75, and then 100. So those are the 5 speeds, and this is blowing pretty well. It's pretty strong. So I love the variability, and then you press it again, it goes back down to 1. I love the variability of the fan speed depending on what you need at the time. So another thing is that it's really convenient to tote around. It has, when you bend it, you can have it at different angles. It bends right here. And then another thing, it comes with this nice cord. So just put it around your neck, right? And then it also has these connections, so you could easily take it off, and then you can always just unloop this. So you don't have to use the cord, but it's nice to have as a flexible option. Another thing, what I absolutely love is this hook at the bottom. You just press it in, and you can clip it on a bag, backpack, something like that, luggage, whatever you're using to tote around. I love the variability and the flexibility of this fan. One thing I do want to note is that on the product page, the colors looked a lot more vivid. This is a very light blue. It's a very faint blue. So if you're looking for something with vivid colors, this is how it appears in real life. Like the product page, it looked more like this color, but it's actually this nice soft pastel blue. I'm okay with it. The color doesn't bother me. I think it's still pretty. It's functional. It does what I need it to do. I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it.